Good morning, students. How are you? I'm also fine. Are you ready? Now we enjoy a game, okay? The game name Simon Says, okay? Please listen to me instruction, okay? When I will say Simon Says stand up, then everybody stand up. When I will say stand up, then sit down, okay? When I will say Simon Says sit down, everybody sit down. When I will say sit down, everybody stand up, okay? Are you ready? Okay, Simon Says stand up. Simon Says sit down. Simon Says sit down. No. Simon Says show your book. Very good. Keep your book. Simon Says stand up. Simon Says sit down. Simon Says stand up. Sit down. No, sit down this time. Because I will say when Simon Says stand up, only stand up, okay? Are you ready? Now we play again a game, okay? Everybody sit down, please. Sit down. Okay. Simon Says stand up. Simon Says sit down. Simon Says show your book. Thank you very much. Keep your book. Thank you very much, everybody.